Hey there, this is Dominic, and I just wanted to walk you through the process of setting up your Google presentation and screencast for our lightning round showcase at our Digital Bridge this year. First, I just wanted to thank Aura for creating a nice slide deck for us that we're going to use as a template to kind of showcase our work. And next, I just want to talk a little bit about some of the challenges we have when we're trying to screencast from a Google slide deck using obviously the screencast extension that's up over here, and that's kind of included in everybody's Chrome installations. So the big problem I notice a lot is that when people go to present the screen, right, they realize that now once it's presented, they can't actually touch that button to actually do their recording, right? And if you start to record, okay, and it starts recording the tab, then you go to present. It does you see this down screen, you see all the other slides, and it's not a very smooth transition. So the trick to fixing this is to make sure that you present this presentation in its own tab. And the easiest way to do that is to actually publish it. And so we're going to do that now. We're going to go to File, Publish to the Web, and I'm going to click on this Publish button right here. When I do that, you're going to see it's going to give me a URL that tells me exactly what the direct link is for this. And I'm going to go ahead, copy it, and close this and open up a new tab. And when I do that and paste it, you'll see that now I'm looking at my presentation full screen, and I still have available to me the little Screencastify links where I can actually choose to do a recording. And so now what I'm going to do is, instead of recording my whole desktop, I'm just going to record just the browser tab. So it's going to show me just what's inside this browser tab. I'll make sure that I have my microphone on, and that everything else is recording, and then I'll go ahead and hit the record button.
3, 2, 1.
Now, as I get into the presentation, just a couple reminders. We're looking for something kind of brief and to the point around a particular innovation that you've done with technology, or a particular challenge of practice that you've addressed. We're also looking for this to be roughly between 2 to 4 minutes. And you can add as many slides as you like to demonstrate and discuss your point. Just keep in mind the time frame. These little blue boxes can be deleted once you're done. Please take a moment to introduce yourself. Tell us where you're coming from. Also, if you can, try to identify what the challenge was that you were trying to address with your students, or what was the things you wanted them to see or do from in terms of the skills or the content. And then also you can kind of outline what your process was, like what were some of the things that you did or the steps. And you may even, share some of the materials. And this is and these slides, it'd be great if you could show us some examples from their work, or even of just your work product that you created that prepped them, and kind of moved them through how you were able to accomplish what you did. And then lastly, just some of your takeaways. What were some of the things that you learned from the class and that you might be able to apply to some of your other classes. And then the final slide, you can just give yourself credit, and obviously credit to Slide, Caravelle, and Unsplash, and that's a wrap. And so when you're done with the presentation, you'll just come up to the top over here and hit stop. Now, as I get into the presentation, just a couple reminders. It automatically starts to play back, and all you have to do is just come over here, copy the link, and send that over to Aura, or if you're the ITC that's doing this recording, just copy this link or see it on your drive and move it into the shared folder that we've created for all of our screencasts as part of our lightning round. Hopefully this makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to seeing all the creative and innovative things you have done in your classroom. So good luck, and thanks again. Bye.